Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching from. So today we are making beans. Yes, beans. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So here are some of my ingredients, some of the stuff I used to make them. Some I mixed oil. Okay, there is red oil, my beans, my salt, my grinded pepper, my seasoning, my garlic, my onions, my potato, crayfish, and leftover plantain, ripe plantain. So I just want to mix them. So this is me after washing my beans. I put them on the fire to parboil them. I like to parboil my beans. So this is me after cooking it. This is the beans after cooking it like 2-3 minutes. So after that, that's the parboiling. After that, I sieve out the water. Yes, you can see me. I'll bring it down and sieve out the water. I'll wash them, put them, add another fresh water and put on the fire. Then immediately, this is my potato, my washed cut potato. So I'll wash them. After washing them, I will add them immediately to my beans. You can see that beans has a lot of water, yes, because beans, I like it soft, and before you know it, you won't see this water anyway. So don't feel like the water is too much. I know what I'm doing. Okay, so this is me adding my potato inside it. Yes, I have to put everything because the potato and the beans need to get softened the same time. They have to cook the same time, so I don't need to wait so that the beans will cook for some time before adding that. So this is my chopped onions. I like to put lots of onions because I heard it helped in softening beans. Meanwhile, the beans I'm using is patasco. That's not iron beans. I prefer patasco because it gets softer easier than iron, to me, my observation. So this is me putting my red oil. Yes, this is me adding my red oil inside it. So after adding my red oil, this is my crayfish. I left the food to boil for some time before adding this. So this is me adding my salt. Sorry, this is my salt. I don't like too much salt, so I don't like adding too much salt to my food. I don't know why, but I don't like too much salt. So after that, this is my seasoning. I'm using no as usual. So this is me adding my seasoning. You can see how my food is boiling. You can see how it's boiling. Yes. So quick one, please. As you're watching, please try to be liking and commenting, please. So this is my grinded black pepper, the one we call Cameroon pepper, already grinded. So this is me adding it. Please like, comment, and share. And I'll be waiting in the comment section for you to tell me what next you want me to cook or to talk about. I'll be willing, I will be glad to do that. Please try to be liking my comments, please guys. I love you guys. So this is my garlic. This is how I like to put my garlic. I don't like powdering it. Don't mind me anyway. So it still gets the good taste for it. There is no ginger, so I'm using only garlic. So after putting some of these, I covered my pot to allow it to cook and cook. You can see this is after leaving it like 5 or 6 minutes. You can see the water is down already. So here I want to check if everything is okay, the salt, everything, the ingredients. So this is my plantain, my ripe plantain, just one. It's small. I just want to add it because I don't have choice. This is plantain I have that is remaining, so I said let me add it too to this food. So imagine the taste of adding sweet potatoes and sweet ripe plantain. I don't want you to imagine the taste, but just believe me, the taste will be bomb. Yes. So this is it. After another some minutes, you can see everything I started doing taka taka taka. So this is me turning my food. My food, I don't waste time in cooking. I don't spend much. I don't stress much. My food is always quick, fast, and trust me, it tastes delicious. I don't like too much spices. I like cooking it natural. Yes, I don't like spices. So my food is always, you don't need to spend much. If you are following me, you'll notice that I don't spend much in cooking. And yet, the food tastes so well. I'm telling the truth. So this is it. This is the ending part of it. So please do come and join me to eat this morning and have my breakfast. What are you eating this morning? Tell me. This food it's going down with pap, added with honey, some sugar and milk. So please, my friends, my people, my fans, my followers, please do like, comment, share. Thank you. Bye.